This is a complete beginner's guide on Sora and how to use it. Sora is an application which is being developed by OpenAI. You might have heard about it already. So without any further ado, let's just begin with it. To access Sora, you can download its application. It is available in App Store. So this is only possible if you are having an iPhone. Otherwise, you won't be able to access the mobile app. If you're having an iPhone, you can just search Sora by OpenAI on your App Store and you will be able to see it. If you are not having an iPhone, not an issue. What you can do is you can use Sora using the web. To use it, just go to sora.chatgpt.com. It will ask you to log in using your ChatGPT account. Once you log in, you will be able to see it. Make sure you are in US or Canada. If you are not, make sure you are using VPN to just access it so that it is easily accessible to you. The reason is it is not open to everyone. It is just limited for the time being. And to create its account, you will be requiring an invite code. I had my invite codes I already shared in my previous video, so you just can check it out, or I will link them in the I button here. But you can go to different communities and you can find the codes there as well because people are genuinely willing to share sometimes. So you can definitely benefit from them. Now, let's just start with it. So, this is basically how the interface looks like. This is first the explore page where you can see the videos. It's basically like the discover page of Instagram. You can customize here, you can do filters like following or top or latest. Then, this is search notification, and this is where your profile will be available. So, you can see your profile. This is my profile, by the way, and here I can see all my posts, all my cameos and likes. So let's go to this explore page here and we can go through all the videos and see different things that are people creating, right? So this is all the videos which have been created on Sora. They are totally AI generated. Sora does not allow uploads. It just allows you to create, and how you can create it, that's our next discussion. So this is where you can write down your prompt, but before we write down our prompt, I want to explain you something which is very important, which is Cameo. It's really good feature, and that is where you can create your avatar. And this avatar is something that is being created within like seconds. And all you need to do is just call it whenever you need. And you can place yourself in different environments. You can place yourself in different locations without even you actually being there, right? So it's really good for generation of B rolls or some assets whenever you need. So let's just start with it and do our first generation. So I'm just mentioning me. So to mention it, you can use at the rate and then type out your user ID here. And you can mention other people as well. So for example, these are all people who made their Cameo available and we can just use it, right? Okay, so now we are going to create our first video on Sora. And to create that, what you need to do is just click here and write down your prompt. So let me just mention myself and me playing. Now, it's not possible, but let's just see what Sora creates. I'm pressing enter and I will wait for the Sora to create it. Once you click on it, it will open up your profile again, and this is where you can see your drafts. Okay, so once your draft is sent, you will be able to see the progress on this particular icon here. You can just hover over here and click on it. This is where you can see your drafts and other videos as well. So just click on this drafts, and this is where the generation happened, right? So yeah, this is new one. Let's just open it and see.
Can handle this crossover.
So it's a giant pizza and it's a basketball court, right?
Step back, up we go. Yes,
Yep,
sir.
yep.
Nothing but cheese. That's dinner in a bucket right there. Pizza coat time. Let me see if the crust can handle this crossover. Step back,
See,
up we go.
even you see the physics here, the
Yes,
physics that
sir.
is being added
Nothing but
here.
cheese.
See the shadows and the whenever he steps on the pizza, it just goes a bit down, showing that okay, there is some pressure going on
The
there.
crust can handle this.
This is how you can create videos using Sora. Now, if you like it, you can just post it. I'm gonna discard this one. That's it on how you can use Sora. Let me know what do you think about it and drop your questions in the comments. Hope you learned something out of it, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.